All right, guys, I'm Sean with Next Level Auto Detailing. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to go ahead today and do a basic two-stage paint correction on this Honda Accord. And we're going to go ahead and show you how we're going to shave some of these defects out in this black paint. And we're going to show you how we're going to take it to the next level. All right, guys, let's talk a little bit about the process in which we did here to bring back the gloss, the reflection, the depth, and what we did to remove all the defects. So I like to use this microfiber cutting pad here by Lake Country. You can use whatever is beneficial for you and the project that you're working on, because as you know, every paint's different, right? I went ahead and set the speed on the machine right around 4, just to generate some speed, which will generate some heat, which will also allow you to start shaving defects out of that clear coat. To finish it down, I used this black finishing pad here, and that would be the second stage. So you got first stage, which is your cutting, second stage, which is your finishing, and the results will speak for themselves. Obviously, over time, the more cars you do, the better you're going to get at it. The more you're going to realize that every car has different paint or clear coat as well. So just because this pad and this pad work on this car, it doesn't mean it's going to work on another car. So practice. All right, guys, that's how you do a basic two-stage paint correction. I hope that all helped you out. I'll see you at the next level.